Have you ever wished your handwriting could be as beautiful and legible as the ones you see in calligraphy books? The elegance and precision of each stroke can be mesmerizing, almost like a form of art. What if I told you that everyone has the potential to write with elegant, neat, and legible handwriting, no matter their starting point? With practice and the right tools, anyone can improve their penmanship. In a world dominated by digital communication, the art of handwriting might seem like a relic of the past. We often forget the charm and personal touch that comes with a handwritten note. However, there's something undeniably special about a handwritten note, a beautifully addressed envelope, or a journal filled with flowing script. These items carry a piece of the writer's soul. Handwriting is more than just a means of communication. It's an expression of individuality, a reflection of our thoughts and emotions, and a bridge connecting the past to the present. It tells a story that digital text cannot. Just as each person is unique, so too is their handwriting. Each stroke and curve is a testament to our personal journey and experiences. It's a fingerprint of our personality, revealing subtle nuances about who we are. Handwriting can even change with our mood and state of mind. The beauty of handwriting lies not just in its aesthetic appeal, but also in its power to evoke emotions, preserve memories, and forge deeper connections. A handwritten message can be a cherished keepsake. A handwritten letter can convey warmth, sincerity, and a personal touch that a text message or email simply cannot replicate. It's a timeless way to show someone you truly care. In today's fast-paced digital age, where keyboards and touchscreens reign supreme, the art of handwriting might seem like an antiquated practice. However, good handwriting is far from obsolete. It remains a valuable skill, both personally and professionally. In the professional realm, legible handwriting is crucial for clear communication, especially in fields like healthcare, education, and law, where handwritten notes and documents are still commonplace. A well-crafted handwritten note can leave a lasting impression on colleagues, clients, and superiors, conveying professionalism and attention to detail. Beyond its practical applications, handwriting also plays a significant role in cognitive function and memory retention. Studies have shown that the act of writing by hand activates different areas of the brain than typing, enhancing information processing, comprehension, and recall. Therefore, even in our increasingly digital world, mastering the art of handwriting remains a worthwhile endeavor, offering a myriad of benefits that extend far beyond mere communication. The world of handwriting encompasses a diverse array of styles, each with its own unique characteristics and aesthetic appeal. From the earliest forms of writing to modern-day penmanship, the evolution of handwriting reflects cultural shifts and technological advancements. From the flowing strokes of cursive to the precise formations of print, each style tells a story of its own. The way we choose to form our letters can significantly impact the overall look and feel of our writing. It can convey personality, mood, and even the era in which it was written. Cursive, with its connected letters and elegant loops, was once the standard form of handwriting taught in schools. It was prized for its beauty and efficiency. It's known for its speed and fluidity, allowing for efficient writing once mastered. This made it particularly useful for taking quick notes or writing long letters. Print, on the other hand, emphasizes clarity and legibility, with each letter standing alone. This style is often preferred for its readability, especially in formal documents. Italic, a slanted style that blends elements of both cursive and print, offers a balance between speed and legibility. It is often used in artistic and decorative writing. Calligraphy, often considered the highest form of handwriting, elevates penmanship to an art form. It employs specialized tools and techniques to create visually stunning letter forms that are both expressive and precise. Each handwriting style has its own unique charm and purpose, and the best style for you depends on your personal preferences, writing needs, and aesthetic sensibilities. Whether you prefer the elegance of cursive, the clarity of print, or the artistry of calligraphy, there's a style that suits everyone. Achieving beautiful handwriting is an attainable goal with focused effort and consistent practice. It's a journey of refining motor skills, understanding letter forms, and developing a keen eye for spacing and alignment. The first step is to assess your current handwriting, identifying areas for improvement. Pay attention to your posture, ensuring you're sitting upright with your feet flat on the floor. A relaxed grip on the pen is crucial, allowing for fluid movements and preventing hand fatigue. Experiment with different writing tools such as fountain pens, ballpoint pens, or gel pens, to find one that feels comfortable and allows for smooth ink flow. Focus on the basic shapes that make up letters, such as circles, loops, and lines, practicing them individually to improve muscle memory and control. Consistent practice is key, setting aside dedicated time each day to refine your technique and develop muscle memory. Section 5. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. On the journey to beautiful handwriting, it's common to encounter certain pitfalls that can hinder progress. One common mistake is overcrowding letters, making them difficult to decipher. Ensure adequate spacing between letters and words to enhance legibility. Writing too small or too large can also impact the overall aesthetics of your handwriting. Strive for a consistent size and scale that is pleasing to the eye and easy to read. Inconsistent letter shapes can make writing appear messy and unprofessional. Pay attention to the uniformity of your letter forms, ensuring they adhere to a consistent style. Poor spacing between lines can make text appear cramped and difficult to follow. Use lined paper or a guide sheet to maintain consistent spacing between lines, enhancing the overall neatness of your writing. Section 6. The psychology of handwriting, a window into the mind. Handwriting is more than just a physical act, it's a reflection of our inner world, revealing subtle cues about our personality, emotions, and even our health. Graphology, the study of handwriting analysis, suggests that the way we form our letters, the pressure we apply, and the spacing we use can provide insights into our subconscious thoughts and feelings. For example, large handwriting is often associated with extroversion and confidence, while small handwriting might indicate introversion or meticulousness. Angular strokes can suggest assertiveness or intensity, while rounded letters might convey a more gentle and approachable nature. The slant of our writing can also be revealing. A rightward slant often indicates openness and expressiveness, while a leftward slant might suggest a more reserved or introspective personality. While graphology is not an exact science, it offers a fascinating glimpse into the connection between our minds and our handwriting. Section 7. Putting pen to paper, fun projects for practice and enjoyment. Improving your handwriting doesn't have to feel like a chore. There are plenty of enjoyable and creative projects that can turn practice into a fun and rewarding experience. Calligraphy, with its elegant letter forms and artistic flourishes, is a wonderful way to explore the beauty of handwriting while developing precision and control. Start with basic calligraphy strokes and gradually progress to more complex letter forms and compositions. Personalizing everyday items such as greeting cards, gift tags, or place cards is a thoughtful way to add a handmade touch to special occasions. Experiment with different pens, inks, and papers to discover new creative possibilities. Bullet journaling, a popular trend that combines organization with creativity, provides a versatile platform for practicing handwriting while personalizing your planning and note-taking. Use your improved handwriting to create visually appealing spreads, track your goals, or simply jot down your thoughts and ideas. Section 8. Handwriting in action, real-world applications. Beautiful handwriting is not just aesthetically pleasing, it serves practical purposes in various real-life scenarios. In the professional world, a handwritten thank you note can leave a lasting impression on a potential employer or client, conveying sincerity and gratitude. Handwritten notes are also a thoughtful way to express condolences, congratulations, or well wishes to colleagues, friends, or family members. In personal settings, maintaining a handwritten journal allows for reflection, self-expression, and the preservation of memories. The act of putting pen to paper can be therapeutic, helping to clarify thoughts, process emotions, and foster mindfulness. Handwritten letters, especially in the age of instant communication, hold a special significance, conveying a level of effort and sentimentality that digital messages often lack. Section 9. Embrace the journey to beautiful handwriting. Mastering the art of beautiful handwriting is an ongoing journey, one that requires patience, practice, and a genuine appreciation for the craft. It's not just about forming letters, but about creating a piece of art with every stroke. Embrace the process, celebrate small victories, and don't be afraid to experiment and develop your own unique style. Each person's handwriting is a reflection of their personality and creativity. Remember that handwriting, like any skill, improves with consistent effort. The more you practice, the more natural and fluid your writing will become. Set aside dedicated time for practice, even if it's just a few minutes each day. Consistency is key to seeing progress and building muscle memory. Focus on the fundamentals, experiment with different tools and techniques, and find inspiration from calligraphers and handwriting enthusiasts. Each tool can bring a new dimension to your writing. The benefits of good handwriting extend far beyond aesthetics. It can be a meditative practice, helping to calm the mind and improve focus. It enhances legibility, improves memory retention, and adds a personal touch to our communication. Handwritten notes can be more meaningful and memorable. Moreover, it's a form of self-expression, allowing us to leave our unique mark on the world, one beautifully crafted letter at a time. Your handwriting is a part of your identity, so pick up your pen and embark on the rewarding journey of mastering the art of beautiful handwriting. Each page you fill is a step towards mastery. The world awaits your unique script. Let your handwriting tell your story.